Hello, good morning. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft channel. I'm Hilda, your host. I hope everybody is doing okay during this week. We're gonna have some nasty weather here in Philly. Here I got about, well, it's 7, but I'm gonna count one. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that I bought from TWBB at Amazon in store. I like it a little bit, that store. So we're not gonna do all 4 today. I mean all 6 today. I'm gonna do the first 3. I'm sorry, I gotta put my microphone in here. Cause sometimes I don't have pencil. Let's start with the smaller one. I'm gonna be doing post review of all this. I just taking my sweet time on it, and I'm doing it by season. So I'm trying to get these out. I'm gonna get it out of here. Sometimes they get stuck. I saw these ones and I liked it. Here's your standard boat. Standard toolkit with a boat and chunky wax and single placer pan. Here are the drills. We're gonna look at them later. Doesn't have any DMC code. Let's see. This is a relative small one. Yeah, I'm buying quite a few now because I got a whole bunch of big ones. This is 25 by 30. Even though it's a small one, you can read the letter "Life is better with a dog," and that's for sure. That life is better with a dog. Good. I needed to position my camera. It has a key code, 17 colors. It's a pretty dark one, but the drill field seems to be clear. As you can see, if you do it at night, this is a pretty quick one, and I like it. And it's all letters. Here's a drill field. That's what I like in it about these stores. Most of them are the drill field is there. And I like this one because life is better with a dog. You don't feel so lonely at home. That's a cute one. They should have life is better with a cat too, for cat people. Yeah, it's only 17 colors. It doesn't seem to be that much. I'm assuming this is for the background. Here are I'm sorry if you have any glare. Let me pull the glare away, the light. Those pretty blue greens. It's more like muted colors. The drill seems to be pretty nice. you know, not much trash. I mean, I don't see any trash. So this is a cute one. I like it. Definitely life is better with a dog. Anything that is my first baby related, I love it. This time I'm gonna torture you. Watching to put these ones inside. Because I'm not gonna do them until later. But I like these. Life is better with a dog. That's a definitely one. Let me put it aside. Let's go with the next one. Let's go with this one. I still have the other three. I will show you in a second video. Okay, over here, the same standard toolkit. We're gonna look at the drills. Oh, by the way, on the other one, as long as this one, they have the number of the canvas. So if you put the drills separate, you will have the canvas on it. This is, lately I like Dream Catcher. Since I saw that Dream Catcher from Dreamer's Design that I unboxed it, I'll post the link over here. I start liking a Dream Catcher. This one has 21 colors. It's a 30 by 40. This one has an eagle and the flag, the USA flag, and there's a lot of blues in here. I like this one, that's why. Blue is one of my favorite colors. It has 21 colors and the key codes are on both sides. It has letters and I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 symbols. And it's an eagle. Inside the Dream Catcher, I can see it clearly. And the drill field, this one you still need a light pad. But it looks pretty clear to me. Right here, over here, you might need a light pad in those areas. But it's not like you have to similar a symbol or a letter together. I like this one too. I like it in this store. This store is pretty good. Let's look at the drills. It's 21 colors. Let me put it this way so that won't bother me. Here's color number 21. That's a pretty blue. Let's see. Oh, I like that purple. It has some purple. And the drills are pretty good. Look at the blues. More blues. I got the blues. This is like a burgundy color. This is another purple. I mean, another blue. Another blue combos. And other colors for the dream catcher. So these are pretty good. Let's put all these back. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. Is it served closed? Today is not a good day, I guess. Here it is. You got in there. So let's take a look one more time. Here is the Dreamcatcher Eagle with the US flag over here. You can see the stars and stripes. I like it. Very patriotic for the 4th of July. Okay, and let's do the last one for today. Oh my goodness. This one has a big... I'm going to cut it over here. Right there. This one reminds me of a welcome sign that I bought. Also the standard toolkit. We're gonna look at the drills, which has the same number as the canvas. This one is a good one to, like I'm planning to do with the welcome sign. That you have to, oh my God, let me take all this out. Because honestly, I don't need that much of a cover paper. TWBB has the logo of the company. They have these like in different colors. I mean, the butterflies, they have it in pink. I decided to buy it in blue. It says, live every moment, love every day, and love beyond words. You know, because love you, love you, love you, but no demonstration is no, there's nothing. This one has key codes on both sides of the canvas. It's a 35 by 30, 23 color, and this one has the DMC code on the canvas. This is a pretty good one also to put it in a piece of wood, decorate it real nice and put it somewhere in the house. I don't like everything in frame though, so you know, there has to be other ways. I don't think, no, the drills doesn't have the DMC code. So we said that it has 23 colors. Oh, the drill fill. Let me show you. The drill fill is pretty clear. And the key code is alphabet. Yep, it's an alphabet. And I don't see any problems. The drill field is very clear. Here is some of the colors, pretty ones, pretty drills. Here are the reminder of the drills. Remaining drills, I should say. Look at that purple, pretty purple. And blues. There's some red on it. This canvas has a variety of colors, which I like. So this is the first one of two TWBB haul. Live, laugh, and love. Live every moment, laugh every day, and love beyond words. Pretty good one. 23 colors and 35 by 30 is not that bad. It's a snack for between the big ones. Okay, so this is it for the first part. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. There is going to be a second part. This is the first part, okay? So until then, have a wonderful week. Love and peace.